In addition to a fire that gutted a school in Hoima earlier this year, the western region, particularly the area of Fort Portal City, has yet again been disorganized by a fire in the community, which caught a number of shops in the wee hours of the morning. Witnesses say that the fire mainly destroyed property in the shops, including different kinds of cereal like maize flour, rice, cassava and other items.
niyo tabu polisi tuza kure waje leta ubane bane benda na sente chonkane polisi kano shanga ibintu by'abantu byona byasi
polisi iziro mubire polisi yageze ashuka amezi ngengo stepi nanka moto kamunara kumuru gwaba mu kiyo byasi.
The residents say that though police were quick to intervene in putting out the fire, it ran short of water after a short time. Richard Muhumuza, the Fort Portal Central Division Mayor, says that most of the hydrants within the city centre where police used to get water from were removed by the National Water and Sewerage Corporation. It is not yet clear what could have caused the fire.
Hydrants zona izuri mu Fort Portal City. National Water kazi yahemete na mbere semerire connectinga ebipira bya maize bakazimya umuri. So ni saba government gambire in fact chakwana RCC wa Fort Portal City gambira manager wa National Water kurango hydrants zone is twina hanu Fort Portal City every street is standby class 1.
Musinguzi Fenekansi, who is among those that lost everything in the fire, says he was told of the catastrophe at his store while he was at home. He says he lost stock which was worth more than 80 million Uganda shillings and is currently stuck because he had acquired the money from the bank as a loan. This is the second fire outbreak in Uganda's only tourism city in just a space of 1 week. The residents say the authorities should put in place measures to stop such rampant fire outbreaks in Fort Portal because people are losing a lot. Those who lost their stock now want government to come to their rescue, saying all they lost had been acquired through bank loans.
So there is a very big loss on those businesswomen and businessmen.
This is News at 8.